In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display your Notion tasks in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Notion tasks appearing in Google Calendar using an automation, making it easier to manage your schedule in one place. Open your Notion task database and make sure each task includes a date property. This date will be used to create events in Google Calendar. Next, open an automation platform such as Zapier, Make, or another Notion to Google Calendar integration. Create a new automation and choose Notion as the trigger app and Google Calendar as the action app. Sign in to both your Notion and Google accounts, then grant the required permissions. Select the Notion database you want to monitor and choose the Google Calendar where your tasks should appear. Map the task title, date, and any other details to the corresponding Google Calendar event fields. Run a test to confirm that a Notion task creates an event in your calendar. Once the test is successful, enable the automation. From now on, new or updated tasks with dates will automatically appear in your Google Calendar. If your tasks don't sync, verify that your Notion database includes a valid date property. Check that you've selected the correct calendar and make sure the automation is turned on. That's how to show Notion tasks in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.